In this video, I'll show you how to add a timer to your device. Start by tapping Timer, then tap Add to create a new timer. Next, select the device timer and choose the device you want to include. You can now set the preset position for your device. If your bidirectional device already has a favorite position saved, simply tap the star icon to set the timer using the preferred position. Timers can also be set to repeat on certain days throughout the week. For example, you can have the timers run every day or on selected days of the week, whatever suits your routine. Once you've chosen the days, set the trigger time. You can select a time from the clock or choose to activate a timer based on sunrise or sunset. If you pick sunrise or sunset, you can also set an offset to fine-tune your time. For instance, you might want to activate the timer 30 minutes before sunrise. When you're happy with the settings, tap Done to complete the setup.